The doctrine of the separation of powers basically postulates that one arm of the state, the nation state, should not exercise the functions of another arm. In other words, insofar as the courts are concerned, courts should not legislate, courts should not lay down economic or social policy. But when it comes to constitutional interpretation, the Supreme Court has the last voice under the Constitution. Yes, where the validity of a law is challenged before the Supreme Court, there's a presumption of constitutionality. In other words, because the law has been passed and enacted by the elected members of the legislature, in this case the parliament or the state legislatures, there's a presumption that they know what the needs of society are. But as to whether the law infringes the Constitution or is consistent with the Constitution gives the Supreme Court the last word on the subject because it's the final arbiter of constitutional interpretation.